Hey, let me show you how we can try to fix the mobile network problems on the Redmi Note 15. So first of all, let's start by opening the settings, go to the more connectivity options, and first of all, I can highly recommend you to perform the reset of your network settings. It's gonna include your mobile data, and you have to pick which SIM card you want to reset. Click here, click OK, and now just wait a little bit until the process will be finished. You are also able to go back into the mobile networks and simply switch off your SIM card. Yeah, just turn it off for a few moments and then you will have to just turn it on. You can do this for both SIM cards, like this. But sometimes, just wait until it will be turned off. And sometimes you're gonna go back into this mobile network settings into your SIM card, and you can simply try to change preferred network type. So if you have Redmi Note 15 with the 5G, you can switch from 5G connection to the 4G, 3G or 2G, or in this second way to the 5G. And you can also check this carrier, so you can select carrier manually, so you will have to click OK. You have to turn off this automatic selection. And it actually depends of your location. If you are in the region with a lot of different carriers, then you can find the list over here and you can just select them manually by clicking on this carrier name. And I can also recommend you to switch off the Wi-Fi calling, which is located here. And if it is still not working, by the way, just make sure that you turn on back your SIM card, by the way. I just forgot about this one. And you are also able to turn on and off the mobile data over here. Just simply reset them. And you can also go to the About phone and check if you don't have the new software update. And just click over here. And the ultimate way, it's to perform the factory reset of your phone. So yeah, this is everything that I can give you, all tips. Let me know if something is working from this one.